So you're removing some heavy furniture around, probably a desk or a dresser, and then the inevitable happens. You smash it right into the corner of your wall, and you wreck up your corner bead, and you're looking at that, scratching your head. What do I do now? Well, I'm here to encourage you and tell you that you can fix a problem like this very easily with the methods in this video. And without further ado, let's dive right in. All right, so we've got a pretty good mess right here. Now, the first thing I would do is kind of take a scraper and kind of scrape everything back to the good mud. Get all this loose stuff off of here. Now, if you can see it on the camera, we've got a little crack going right here where the impact was, and it cracked everything. Just take something and kind of make a groove in there. Give that mud something to stick to. All right, so if you notice right here, we've got some raised up areas. I call them bellies, or you can even call them a gut. Doesn't matter, but these areas need to be below flat. You can really see it right here if you take a straight edge and go like this, and you notice there's a gap right in here. See that? That's above flat. We need that to be below flat. All right, so I've already conveniently got some holes right here. If you don't, a drywall screw will go through this stuff. Now, you don't want to be too far out this way, because what'll happen is you'll miss the stud and you'll just be screwing into drywall and you won't grab anything. So try to keep it as far to the left on this one as you can. That caught something. Yep, there we go. Okay. Still a little high right there, so I'm going to tap on it and try to bend that in. Don't have to go crazy. Let's do the same thing over here. Let's pull that in nice. Feels pretty good. Oh yeah, everything's below flat. All right. All right, so I've mixed up some 45-minute hot mud. Now, we're not trying to make it look perfect the first time around. We're just trying to fill it up. All right? You want to keep your edges thin. And what I usually do is I take the knife and kind of bend it like that so that that's right against the edge, like this. That keeps your edges thin. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back before this is completely dry and hard, and we're going to shape this and cut down any high areas and then add another coat. All right, so I've waited about 30 minutes or so. I can feel that this is still wet, but it's set up enough where I can scrape this and make sure there's no high spots. So I'm just going to do this, kind of go through here and shave everything down, just making sure everything's nice and flat, okay? I've mixed up another batch of mud. And I'm going to do the same thing with this coat. I'm not going to worry about making it perfect. I really just want to fill everything up. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. If we have a little ridge here, it's okay. I think I'm just going to leave that alone, and we'll be back in a minute. All right, same thing. It's been about a half an hour. We should be able to shape this a little better. Just be careful. Just do it real lightly like so. And that'll cut down any high spots right there. Do the same thing over here. I think we can live with that. All right, so for the next coat, I'm going to use conventional mud, not the hot mud. All right, so I put one coat of the all-purpose regular compound on here. And we could sand this, and then I'll probably just add one more coat just for the fun of it. So this is not the final sand, but if it was, you want to sand these edges down to nothing right here. But right now, we're just going to do a light sanding because I'm putting another coat. But if you were doing a final sanding, a lot of times I'll take a flashlight and go like this, and you can see every little imperfection, and you can make that just about perfect when you do that. But we're just going to do a light sanding right here. For this edge right here, you could kind of hit it like this. Kind of make it match the corner bead. It's not perfectly sharp. It's got a little rounded edge right here. Using a little bit wider of a knife this time. And we're just going to pull that real tight. And that's looking pretty good right there. Now you want to let this completely dry out. Sand it down real good. You can use that light if you want to. You'll really see all the imperfections. This is raw drywall mud. Don't forget to primer it before you paint it. All right, hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.